gue mau ngedit foto pakai Picsay Pro, tapi editornya kayak edit di Photoshop. Ya karena gue suka ngedit Photoshop sih ya. Kali ini gue udah punya bahan laut ya, ini kayak tekstur. Untuk gambar-gambar yang gue edit, kalian bisa download di website yang ada di deskripsi video. Oke, kali ini kita mulai. Ya, kali ini gue udah
Back when I was a kid, my mom told me how to let go from everything. Find your inner peace, that's what she told me. 'Cause nothing comes for free. Whenever I feel like I'm all alone, I'll find the glory deep inside my soul. And I'll fight for my passion in life, give everything I have in me, and break into the dark. I'll break into the dark. I'll give everything I have and everything I have. I'm one step closer to the light. I'll break into the dark. I'll break into the dark.
Oke.
Deep underneath your skin, there lies a new sin. That's life we're living in. But I'll be standing strong and all the fights I've lost, 'cause that's just who we are. Whenever I feel like I'm all alone, I'll find the glory deep inside my soul. And I'll fight for my passion in